Right. Hey, it's Phil from PT Precision Automotive. Just thought I'd show you this one that we've got in the workshop. I'm doing this one. It's a 2004 Mitsubishi Pajero. It's a 4M41 engine. So I got a customer complaint, well, we sort of picked it up, that there's a rattle in the engine. Just give it a little rev and you hear a rattle. So an investigation, we thought there's adjustable tappets are in here. So these, I've done all the tappets to just sort of take that out of the equation. But what you can see here is that this is the timing chain. That's all flapping around. There's a tensioner, a guide goes on the top. That guide should be pretty much flat like that. It's bent up and out and the plastic's gone from in there. So it's a timing chain issue. I've stripped the whole engine down. You can see there's a whole heap of gears, chains, sprockets, everything. It's quite an intense strip down, both sides, this side of the engine, that side of the engine, the injection pump, air compressor, power steering, all that sort of stuff. I've also had to get this front timing case cover off. I've had to remove the engine sump, which you can try and see underneath here. You can see through there to the gears. I've had to drop the front differential down, so that's all down out of the way. You can see I've got the sump, there's the crank, everything down in there, the oil strainer, whatever. So big intense job, takes a lot of thought going into this one. It's not just a straight simple job. And what I've got to, Mikey pulling a Golf to pieces, putting new pistons in it. So we got all the sprockets, guides, tensioner, new chain, new sprockets again. So a big one for me today. So anyway, I'll take some photos. I'm not going to video the whole thing, but I'll take some photos and show you how we do it. Yep.